Good afternoon, evening. Well, it's Sunday, so can you guess what's on the menu tonight? You've got it, roast chicken dinner. So, earlier on I did a big batch of Yorkshire puddings and I've chucked about 6 or even 8 bags in the freezer. And yeah, my hands are clean, by the way. But yeah, I've learnt how to do them and keep them so they're risen. Right, so we've got the roast chicken. Let's get this dished up. Now, I've done extra because, yeah, you've guessed it, leftover pie tomorrow. So I've got cauliflower. I thought I would just do extra, and I'm going to try and do a smaller pie tomorrow. Let's wait and see. So there's some of that left. And then I've done sprouts and carrots. I haven't done stuffing because I haven't got any. I keep forgetting to buy it. So that is one thing that is missing today. Lovely creamy mashed potato. Got quite a lot of chicken left from the little chicken that I bought yesterday, so that will go in as well, plus that will do for sandwiches, etc. So that is that. I just warmed them up in the microwave, no, the air fryer, sorry. Right, and then in the oven I've done honey roast potatoes. Normally I put them to on kitchen towel, but I haven't had time today, so again I've done extra for the pie. So 2 of them. Then honey roast parsnips. Looking forward to this. We've been busy all day, so John's finished painting the fence in the garden, mowed the lawn. I've been busy indoors doing the spring clean in the bathroom and all over, so yeah, it's looking okay now. And there's the honey roast parsnips. They'll go into the pie as well. Forgot about the gravy, haven't I? Let me just do the gravy and I'll be back. Now I've got a new gadget what I bought from TikTok shop. So just let me do this and then I can show you. Right, just onion golden fry gravy granules. You've probably seen this anyway, it's been around a while. First time I've used it, and I've had it quite a few weeks now. That works really well on the gravy, I must say. So, just again, the gravy will go in the pie. That is John's. We're going to have a bit of mint sauce with it. I know you're supposed to have it with lamb, but yes. So we're going to go and enjoy this now, and I'll be back with John's sandwiches in a little while. So until the next one, take care.